State machines help us model how a process goes from state to state when an event occurs. State machines are useful in software development because they help us capture all the states, the events, and the transitions between them. Using state machines makes it much easier to spot impossible states and undesirable transitions. State machines model your application logic. Here is the logic for a video player. When the video is played, it opens into full screen. When the video is stopped, it closes out of full screen mode. When the video is in full screen mode, it can be playing or paused or stopped. State charts are fancy state machines used to model more complex logic. State charts are a visual extension to state machines that use boxes and arrows, much like flowcharts and sequence diagrams. State charts add extra features not available in state machines, including hierarchy, which are parent states, concurrency, which are parallel states, and communication, which are actors. When you make a state machine in the Stately Studio, it's also a state chart.